Everlove Mascara is marketed as a beauty product that supposedly delivers dramatic volume, longer-looking lashes, smudge resistance, and all-day wear, but the real question is, should you buy before watching this? Now, to be fair, mascara can absolutely make lashes appear fuller, darker, and more defined. That's exactly what mascara is designed to do. The issue is whether the real-world results match the dramatic transformations shown in ads. What it does well may create fuller-looking lashes. Most volumizing mascaras are designed to make lashes appear thicker and more noticeable, can improve lash definition. Darkening and separating lashes can make eyes appear more prominent. Where the hype falls apart, it won't create fake lash results for everyone. This is the biggest issue. Natural lash length, density, and shape still play a major role. Marketing videos can exaggerate results. Some advertisements use lash extensions, filters, lighting tricks, or multiple coats. Clumping can happen. Layering too much product may make lashes stick together. So, should you buy Everlove Mascara? Short answer: if you simply want mascara benefits, it may be worth considering. But if you're expecting dramatic extension-like results from a few swipes, expectations may be much higher than reality. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.